Hi everyone! Today's pose is reverse table pose. Let's start with the benefits. It provides a deep stretch to the upper body, including your shoulders, chest, abdomen, and spine. This pose will build strength throughout all the core muscles and the muscles surrounding the spine. It also improves balance and posture. Additionally, it will strengthen the wrists, arms, buttocks, legs, and back. Opening up the entire front side of the body is invigorating and energizing, which provides relief from fatigue and stress. This pose can be a useful pose to counteract the forward slouch that result from sitting or and forward facing actions. Reaching the arms behind the body can provide a deep stretch to the chest, which improves posture over time. Regularly practicing reverse table can help you to stand tall and all day long. Before you practicing, here's cautions. Do not practice if you have carpal tunnel syndrome or you have injuries in your shoulders, neck, or wrist. Always work with your own range of limits, and you can consult your doctors if you have some medical concerns for practicing this pose or any other pose in yoga. Here how to do. Begin sitting on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Bend your knees and place your feet flat on the floor. Place your hand behind your hips, shoulder wide apart, wrists under the shoulders. Press your palms flat, fingertips pointing to the same direction you are facing. Inhale and press firmly into your hands and feet. Straighten your elbows and lift your hips up toward the ceiling. Only lift your hips as high as your body currently allows. Never force the pose. If you're having trouble keeping your hips lifted, place a yoga block or bolster under your hips that supports your pelvis. Allow your weight to rest on the block and gradually lift your hips as you build strength. So when you're in full position here, draw your shoulders blades firmly into your back and lift your chest. Try to bring your chest, torso, and knees into straight line parallel to the floor. Keep your legs active. Relax the muscles in your buttocks. And so don't squeeze the buttocks. Press down through all the 10 toes. If you're comfortable here, then gently drop your head back so the crown of your head facing the floor. If your neck hurts or feel compressed, do not drop your head back. Instead, tuck your chin slightly toward your chest. Keep your arms straight under, fully engaged. Do not collapse into your shoulders. Breathe softly. Hold for 5-10 breaths. For some people, it might take a while to build up enough strength and flexibility to hold the pose for more than a breath or two. So remember to take it slowly and work within your means. To release, slowly lower your hips to the mat. Have a fantastic day. Until the next time, lots of love from here.